We've got great GPU prices and lower RAM pricing soon. Stay tuned. Welcome back to GamerMeld. The PC gaming market has been a whirlwind of ups and downs, with graphics cards and memory prices skyrocketing to a world of pain for gamers everywhere. And with the incredible tech coming our way from the likes of real-time ray tracing that's set to be a revolutionary change in gaming graphics, high GPU prices are the last thing we need to see. Lucky for us, things are truly getting better, and not just tomorrow, but now. While certainly not at the same speed that prices went up, graphics cards have been inching their way back down over the last month, with the 1080 actually reaching below its original MSRP before being brought down to the $500 mark, and at the same price Nvidia is selling their Founders Edition for. But guess what? It doesn't stop there. Not only has pretty much every 1080 gotten down to $530 to $550 after rebates, but the 1080 Ti is seeing a dip in price by hundreds of dollars. Even the 8GB RX 580 is in the low 300s after a mail-in rebate. I mean, the nearly impossible to find and insanely inflated Vega 64 has even been cut nearly in half. Sure, these aren't MSRP, but remember that MSRP is just the suggested retail value, but value changes with supply and demand. Demand clearly went through the roof, so prices followed. Think of how antiques work. Just because something is old doesn't mean it holds value, but some things that people really want with a scarce number of items are worth far more than they ever were when they were first made. Luckily, demand's plummeted, so prices have followed suit. To top it off, with Nvidia's recent first quarter earnings call, there are reports of sales from cryptocurrency expected to drop by as much as 2/3 in the next quarter alone, so we should see prices drop even further. Of course, as Goldman Sachs said, we are expecting new cards soon, which will raise demand again. All in all though, and I so hope I'm not jinxing myself here, but the graphics card market seems to have finally settled down. Sure, new cards are on the horizon, but once the newness wears off in typical fashion, the general public should be free to purchase as usual once more. Lastly, I've got even more good news. According to Asian Review, the downward cryptocurrency trend is beginning to impact DRAM manufacturers. A representative at the Tokyo Electronics Park Trader said, and I quote, "Orders for DRAMs fell noticeably in April." With this, and an apparently less than stellar growth from the smartphone market, DRAM prices are likely to fall for the first time in 2 years. Of course, there is still quite high demand in other markets like smartphone and data centers. Having such a fall from cryptocurrency will still make an impact. That's right, not only are GPU prices being lowered at a drastic level, but the other bane in any PC maker's experience as of late is headed downward as well. So while that does it for today, let me know what card you're most excited to get down in the comments below. And if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe for all things hardware news. And as always, have a great day.